Hey, do you want to take something with you that is real easy to prepare on your next adventure? It gives you energy, it tastes great, and it's simple to fix. Stick around. Lay out your dried fruit and nuts to be about the size of the bars that you want. Then you want to melt your dark chocolate chips and use heavy whipping cream. Be sure to pay attention to the melting process as this requires a lot of your attention. So after a few minutes of consistent stirring and regulating the temperature, your chocolate will be melted to where you need it to be. Then you'll pour it over your trail mix mixture. Be sure to cover it as much as you can so that it will all form together to make your bars. We went for an extra treat and got Nutter Butter cookies and dipped them in the dark chocolate also. After everything was dipped, we put it in the refrigerator, and then after it set for a while and the chocolate hardened, it was time for the taste test. Both tasted great, and we will definitely make them again.